You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. Elon Musk's recent trip to China isn't just another business journey, it's a strategic maneuver in the high-stakes game of global tech dominance. Just when you thought the tech drama couldn't intensify any further, Elon Musk dives headfirst into the lion's den. His second visit to China in less than a year wasn't just a courtesy call. It's all about advancing Tesla's self-driving tech in the world's largest EV market. But here's where it gets intriguing. No deals were signed on transferring that crucial self-driving data out of China. And while Tesla opens its patents, aiming to cooperate, Chinese rivals like BYD are already reverse engineering over 100 Tesla innovations. Talk about a tech feast. Meanwhile, Tesla faces roadblocks, with its cars restricted in military zones and shunned by government offices. The twist? China's tech giants like NIO and Xpeng are rumored to have borrowed a page, or code, from Tesla's playbook. Musk's grand plan to dominate might just be the leverage China needs to boost its own EV champs. As they say, keep your friends close and your technology competitors closer. Is Tesla playing with fire? Only time will tell.